Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up with Easyship. To create a new account on Easyship, you can simply first open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in easyship.com and search. You will now end up in the official website for Easyship. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner to get started with the registration process. Now, go ahead and enter an email address you have access to in the email tab. Now click on Get Started for free. On the next page, fill in the rest of the information. Select if you are a merchant or a developer working on shipping, or you can also create a personal shipment by choosing the options displayed on the screen. Select any one option you'd like to get started with, and then mention your first name and then your last name. Make sure to enter a contact number. After selecting your country code from the display, enter a phone number and then create a password on the next field. Type in a password which will be used as your login credentials every time you try to sign into your account. Go to the next field and click on the drop-down and select where you'd like to ship from. Once you are done, click Next. On the next page, enter your shipping address, and then if you're also looking for a fulfillment and warehousing partner, make sure to check this last box and finally click Next. Answer some of the questions on the next page and finish the setup, which will then take you into the main dashboard of Easyship. You can now get started with your first shipment. So that is how you will be able to create a new account for Easyship. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.